This conference will now be recorded.
So all are able to see the screen. Today's topic is charts of accounts.
Hello, Sujata ma'am.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So today's topic is charts of accounts. We're going to start that. So I want to ask you some questions about this. Like, what do you mean by charts of accounts? If you have any knowledge, you can share with me now. Hello. Yes. Anyone? So yesterday I have given introductions about the charts of accounts. Like, what is the meaning of chart of accounts? And in SAP, what are the types of charts of accounts? I'll be showing you one more time. See, charts of accounts is a group of general ledger or GL accounts that records the transactions of an organization in a structured way. Right? For each GL accounts, chart of account consists account number, account name, language, and other control fields. Every company code must be assigned a chart of accounts. Right. So the chart of account is an index for of all financial accounts in a company's general ledger. There are major accounts type in the chart of accounts, just like assets, liabilities, income and expenditure, expenses, equity. These are called our accounting groups and it is also known as a chart of accounts. The leading digit on each account is a reference number indicating that type of accounts it belongs to. Okay, the types of charts of account. There are three types of charts of accounts in SAP. What is that? First is operating charts of accounts. The operating chart of accounts in SAP is used for recording day-to-day transactions in a company. Okay. So generally in Tally also we are telling these are accounts in groups. Like we have a assets. Assets, if I'll give you example like fixed assets, current assets. Okay, fixed assets is known as your land, building, furniture, fixtures, plant and machinery. This will comes under fixed assets. Likewise, we have current asset. Current assets means like cash in hand, cash at bank, and sundry debtor. Okay, sundry debtor. So then liabilities. Liabilities known as the, we can say it is that amount which a company is liable to pay to the creditors. Okay, suppose you have started a business, you have 1 lakh and you are taking loan 1 lakh. So in 2 lakhs, you are starting a business that is known as your investment amount 2 lakhs and that is known as capital which is used to start a business. So that is also called as a liability or else you are purchasing from the suppliers means creditors and that amount whatever you have purchased any items that amount you have to pay to the creditors and that amount is also known as liability and we can say loan is also a liabilities. Okay, any kind of loan like vehicle loan, home loan. Okay, so gold loan, whatever loans you have taken that is also liabilities. So next one is equity. Equity in the sense like your equity shares. Income, like if I'll tell you discount receipt, salary receipt, rent receipt, commission receipt, interest receipt, appreciation. So what do you mean by appreciation? Appreciation is known as the increased value of the fixed assets. Okay, that will these are comes under the income. So next one is expenses. What do you mean by expenses? Like rent paid, commission paid, interest paid, advertisement expenses, traveling expenses, transportation charges, which is considered in the accounting part. And next one is depreciation. So depreciation is also an expenses. It is a decreased value of the fixed assets. So appreciation means land value is always increased. So that is known as appreciation. I'll give an examples like suppose land value is 5 lakhs and increased by 7% means that is called the 7% is known as appreciation. And you have a old furniture you are going to sell, in that case the furniture value will depreciate. Why? Because old furniture values always decrease. Why? Because you will not get the cost price also, because it is you have used for few years, there will be some damage or defective. So in that case the value will be decreased. Like prepared building, so already see land value always increase but building values always decrease because this has already been used. So building value always depreciate. Machinery, plant, all these things also always depreciated except land. So this is called your all expenses. So there are two types of expenses if I'll say, like direct expenses. Direct expenses is wages, okay, freight charges, power which is consumed in the productions department is known as your direct expense. Other than that, everything is indirect expenses. Okay, so this is the one chart of account structure is the cash is asset, accounts receivable also assets. Okay, inventory we can say stock, that is also an asset. Vehicles and equipments. Accounts payable is a liability because this is the amount which we need to pay to the creditors. Okay, payroll tax liabilities, sales tax liabilities is there. Owner's capital equity we are telling, but it is also comes under the which group of charts of accounts, that is liability. Okay, return earnings is there, owner's equity. Sales, sales is the revenue because income, because when you are going to sell any product, so you are getting the income, right? Returns and allowances revenue. Cost of goods sold is also called the revenue. Marketing and advertising also expenses. And office supplies, that is also expenses. Salary and wages also expenses here. Payroll taxes also expenses. Okay, so there is a three type of charts of accounts. As I told you, operating charts of accounts. The operating charts of accounts is SAP used to day-to-day transactions. As I told you in the previous classes, transactions are the day-to-day activities of the business, right? Purchase, sales, deposits, withdrawals, receipts, and payments. Likewise, countries. So I'll give you the detailed informations about that. What is the uh, actually operative charts of accounts, country specific, and this one. Okay. So this is the operative chart of accounts. This is the group chart of accounts. What is the group chart of accounts? I'll be discussing that one. So all of you have joined the meeting now. Anyone is left out today? So those who have not joined, please join. Now see here, what is the operating charts of accounts? And the contains the GL account that you use for daily postings in your company codes. Okay. So posting out accounting and financial flows and management accounting and margin analysis both use this chart of accounts. Your company codes are automatically like daily records. Like we are creating masters, just like in Tally, we are creating masters and editors and the creditor. Then we are creating fixed assets, plant and machinery, buildings. Okay, these are all called as a charts of accounts. Fixed assets, current assets, cash in hand, we are creating how much cash. Capital account we are creating, that is all operating chart of accounts. So group chart of accounts is known as, the group chart of accounts contains the GL accounts that are used by the entire corporate group, and is used to consolidate the report for their entire group. This enables group reporting. Example, corporate groups has companies at different locations wants to be seen as one. So there is a corporate sector companies are there, so they will be use group chart of accounts. See your example, a corporate group has companies at different locations and wants to be seen as one. Like one companies has a different branches, or some of the joint stock companies, some few companies joined and together and they started a new company. In that case, group chart of accounts has to be used. Likewise, one more is there country specific charts of accounts. It contains the GL accounts that are required to meet a specific country's legal reporting requirements, legal matters and all. It has been solved. Assigning a country specific chart of accounts to a company code is optional here. One more informations to all students, like in this Saturday, our system admin will come to your college, MCC college, to install this SAP software. Those students wants to install, so they can install that. He will be available on this Saturday. He will come to your college. So some few students ask me about that installations procedure. So it cannot be downloaded easily, means like through internet. So that's what our admin will come there. Okay. So now you are all able to. That's what already I discussed with this our center head. So our system admin come to your college only. But if you missed out this Saturday, then you need to come to our center, Jayanagar. Okay?
Ma'am, at what time they will come, ma'am?
Will be coming by morning, I think, after 9:30 or something like this. You will be in college. You will go to your college only and don't miss this Saturday. Because
Uh,
if you miss this Saturday, you need to come to the center. So we already spoken about this.
Ma'am, till what
Okay?
time will they be there?
Ma'am, if
Ma'am,
they come,
if they come,
post us in official group, ma'am.
Yeah, yeah,
So,
I'll put that what time he will come. I'll put in our group. Okay, so
yes,
all
ma'am.
students will get informations about this. And as I told you, what are the requirements? Also, I'll send in the group 8 GB RAM and at least 260 to 300 free 300 GB free space should be there in your hard disk. All the details I'll be sending in the group today itself.
Yeah,
Okay, and what
sure,
time
ma'am.
you will reach to your college? That also information I'll give to everyone. Okay, so please there in your college, so he will be install your software. Okay, so already we have discussed in 2 days and it has been finalized. Okay, so I'll put
Okay,
that message in the group also. So those who are missed out this 2 days, I think almost all students has been joined today, or anyone is left out today. So please join, or if anyone is missing. So because this classes is already started all charts of accounts, so your request has been finalized and our admin is coming to your college on Saturdays. Okay. So now we'll continue our class. Now see, the operative charts of accounts contains the GL accounts. So already I discussed this. Even I'll share with you this file. And next I am going to start some of the new things today. One second. Yes. Now we have the chart of account COA. This is the T code. Okay, what is this T code? I'll just add this one row, insert one. Okay, not required. So we can do this. This is the T code and this is the descriptions. Define chart of account COA. OB13 is our T code. Assign code to company code OB62. Now you can see the right side of this chart of accounts what I have converted. So COA, it will display on your SAP screen like this. So we need to feel like it. So MT10 we have created yesterday. Sorry, this is MT110. This is company code will be same. It cannot be changed. Okay, so I'll be taking this. Okay, see here, we have to first COA account, that is called chart of accounts. Then accounts group like as fixed assets means FSS. This is your short form of this descriptions. Fixed assets means we are shortly you are writing FSST. Then from account and to account we have to do, this is the limits of this. How to go to this path I'll be showing you. And you can see here balance sheet, chart of accounts, different balance sheet like assets, liabilities, owners equity, income is come, revenue, income statement is like revenue and expenses. This is the account number, one example has been given here, right? So I'll be doing in the directly on the software. So this is the first screen which will appear in the chart of accounts. Okay, here we have to give the company code. You can give like MTCA chart of accounts. Usually I'll give the same company code only and I'll tap the descriptions, GL account number 6. But you can give any number, sorry, but usually we'll give 6. Now you can see this is fixed assets 100100101 to 200. So this is the 100 numbers cap is there. So likewise we can for create for assets, we can create for liabilities, we can create for incomes and expenses. I've given the examples like share capital, it will be like 200 100, and it will be finishing. This is the from account to account. This is the limit what we are giving. Within this the number range will come. This is called number range. Okay, so I'll be showing you, instead of showing this theory I'll do the practical right now. Okay, so I'll just minimize this and open the software here. See, those who are yesterday lately joined, now you can see, double click on the software, the screen you will get, resume this virtual machine. Okay, now you can see we are on the screen SAP Easy Access. Okay, so what we need to type, students? SPRO. So we have to type in the T code bar SPRO. Okay, press enter. So it will take you to the customize execute process project screen. You have to click on SAP reference IMG. Okay, now we have to go to the financial accounting. Okay, then you have to go to the general ledger accounts. Then you have to click on GL account and master data. In the master data, we have to go to the preparations. Okay, so if anyone has a book and pen, you can make a note on this, just few one line. Like you have to go to the, I'll just show you that screen. You can make a note on this, just one line you can mention here. So write SPRO SAP ING financial accounting. You can do, or financial accounting also you can go there. Does not matter. Financial accounting you can do that. So you are not new, directly you can do financial accounting. So general ledger account. New does not require, so you can directly go there. So here we have a edit chart of accounts. You can write from the screen also. Financial accounting, general ledger accounting, GL account, master data, preparations, and we have to click on image activity of edit chart of accounts list. Okay, we'll click here and we'll go to the next screen. Okay. Now we have to click on, so this some companies has been created, so we have not created, so we have to go to the new entries. In the new entries chart of accounts, what we need to do is empty 10 I am giving here. Description is chart of accounts for MT10. Okay, chart of accounts for MT1. You can write shortly COI for MT10. So maintain language I am using here English. GL account number it will ask. So I am giving length. GL account length of the GL account number is 6. Okay, this you can take automic and manual. Right now I am doing as a automic. You can let it be manual also. You can see on the screen it is a manual creations. Anyone you can choose this. So I am given automic creations of cost elements.
Excuse me,
After this
ma'am.
you have to, yes, tell me.
Ma'am, how is that length of the GL account number 6, ma'am? How did
See,
we
GL
get it?
account number you can give 4, you can give 5, you can give 6. I shown you that I have started my number range from 1 lakh to 1 lakh 100 to 1 lakh 200. So like this I have maintained 6. So you can give 4 digit also, you can 4, but usually we are using 6 length.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, that is the number range. When you will create the number range in the coming classes, I'll tell you why we are giving 6. Okay, so
Okay,
after
ma'am.
this click on save button. Now you can see this is not our company. Our company is Tata Group 10, right? In that case what you will do, you have to choose this. So I'll select this Tata Group Company 192. And sometimes what happens, students unknowingly they will click on save button. So what will happen? This particular concepts will save in another company. So when you will do the next transactions, means next step, it will be stuck in somewhere. So this SAP software is very powerful. If you will do any single mistakes on this, you cannot proceed for the next concept. So that is the things. Be careful when it is showing your company name is different. So please go to here customize request and check your company code and then you do that. Click on this. Now it has been saved. Okay, data is automatically saved. Again click one more time and come back. Till that you understood? Any doubts anyone have? Okay, we'll proceed now. One second, it is I have choose English. Okay, fine. Save it and come back. Next, you can see our chart of account is displaying. If you'll check the positions for your confirmations, you can see here and click on this. So it has been done. Come back, and next one is assign company code to chart of accounts. Assign company code to chart of accounts. So I'll ask you one questions. Like yesterday, I taught you how to define company, how to assign a company, okay, and how to create a credit control areas, okay, how to create business area. So whatever we have defined in SAP, we need to assign also, right? So after edit chart of account list, we need to assign the company code to chart of accounts. Now we'll go to the second IMG activities. Okay, now in this case, what we need to do? So our company, it is not displaying CO, company code, CT, chart of accounts, this and all, it's displaying. Okay, so what we'll do in this case, you have to click on the position button. You have to click on positions, and this is known as company code. You have to do MT10. Okay, click on this. And here what you will do, you have to select this chart of accounts what we have created, MT10. MT10 we have created here, this one. Okay, so click on save button, again click on save. So all are getting.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Next, what we'll do here, just save this and come back to this previous and then define account groups. What do you mean by accounts group? See, accounts group is what? An accounts group is a group of accounts which have similar accounting characteristics. Please make a note on this. There are three default top level accounts group of the application, profit and loss and balance sheets also we can do. This you can make a note what is accounts group as well as define return earnings. I'll be going to show you that. And you can make note down the path also. So all you are getting here, I am sending this message here. Saturday, which will be the date here, like 20th. Okay. Okay, so all you have done. Okay, so we'll continue. I have sent the message timings and all. I'll update in the group itself. Okay, understood. I'll be sending in the group what time you will be available on college. Okay, so now we'll do the next topic like define accounts group. So accounts group, as I told you, is a group of accounts which have similar accounting groups. If I'll give an example like accounting groups like sundry debtor, sundry creditor, okay, fixed assets, current assets, share and share on capitals, okay. Then it will comes under purchase account, sales account, okay, debtor and creditor accounts, return earnings accounts, investment accounts, interest on loan. These are all accounting groups, okay. So it will comes in the PL account and balance sheets. So return earnings accounts is what? Return earnings account is used to carry forward the balance from one financial year to the next fiscal year. You can change a return earnings account to each PLN account in the chart of accounts. Okay, so now I'm going to do accounts group creations. So accounts group creations. Okay, so what we'll do now, define accounts group, click on image activities, IMG activities, and here we can say position. So what will do, new entries. What will do, new entries, or you can select here like assets, expenses, income, liability. You can do copy as. Okay, either you click on new entries or you can do copy as. In the copy as, if you'll do, we need to change this company code here. Okay, what is our company code? MT10. Okay, so after this you have to press enter. So what is displaying? Number of entries copied is 4. After this you have to click on save button. So you can see assets is 1 lakh I have given, expenses 4 lakhs to 499, 3 lakhs to 39 is income, and liabilities 2 lakhs to 299. Click on save button and you can save this. So this has been, data has been saved. So data has been saved here. Okay, all are getting this. Okay, done. Next we'll go back. So now we'll check the position here. So what you have to do, just give the chart of accounts empty 10. Click on this. Now you can see all we have created. Okay, likewise if you want to create for other also we can do, like income expenses basically you are creating. You can create for admin expenses, like you have to give the short form for this. You can create for material management. See, there is a different models of SAP. So some students has been created like accounts receivable, payable also you can create. Like you have to give, this is the company code and this is the chart of accounts, this the number, name, and admin expenses 3 lakhs is given. Like suppose I am taking your advertisement expenses, so I can give you that amount. And accounts payable, accounts receivable, current assets, fixed assets, these are accounting also we can create here. As I shown you what we can create on this group of charts of accounts, I can see this is the chart of accounts. You can place loans and advances also I have taken, current assets also I have taken, fixed assets also, fixed assets in the building, furniture, machinery I have taken here. So I can create like this, for building machinery, other this one 100 100 101 and 100200, like this. You can current assets also I can create like cash in and cash at bank, loans and advances, shares and capitals I have given 2 lakhs 100 to 2 lakhs 200, reserve and surplus also I have given under liabilities, unsecured loans also. In the income area I have given sales as it is a revenue, and rent receipt, commission receipt also income, then expenses, salary paid, interest paid, all these things have been given. Okay, now the next is our written earnings accounts I'm going to create. So here is the path. Go to self reference IMG, financial accounting, general ledger accounting, GL account, preparations, define written earnings, execute. How it will be, I'll be showing you that one. Okay, now see here in the software I'll be telling. So come back to this previous positions. Next option is called define written earnings account. Click on this IMG activity. Give the chart of accounts number MT1010. Okay, click on this. So what we have to do here, maintain a file configurations, PL statements account it is showing. So we have to type here X account says 200100 because it's a share capital. Why I am giving this? This belongs to the liabilities and it will carry forward. Okay, so it is belong to see this number I have given share capitals and it's a liability. So I am entering here. So what you have to do here, click on save. So it is asking. So again press enter and save this. Okay, now data has been saved. This is called retained earnings. So balance carry forward and commence. So any doubts in the charts of accounts, students? So you will be able to do this chart of accounts. So anyone has any doubts? Hello.
No, ma'am.
Okay, so all you are getting this. Next we'll go to the fiscal year. What do you mean by fiscal year? I'll be telling you that one. So before that, I want to ask you, what is our financial year? What is the how you'll define the financial year? Let me know how you what is our financial year durations like. It is from 1st of April to 31st March. Okay, 1st of April to 31st March. And like January to December, so it is considered as a V3. Today I'll be telling you fiscal year variant. What is that? Okay. Now see here. Here we have a defined fiscal year variant. This is the short. Acha, one more thing. I told you define charts of accounts OB13 how we can do directly. Okay. So if I'll give the T code /n, we have to do OB13. So this is OB. You know to type caps lock OB13. If you take like this also directly you can. So transaction sorry /n. If you wrong transactions code if you give it will not accept. So this is /n OB13. So it is taking directly charts of accounts. Likewise we can use the T code for this OB62. Okay, OB/n. In the T code bar you can /n you have to give /n OB62. Okay, press enter. Now you can go to the assign company code to charts of accounts, right? So next one is like here OBD4. OBD4 if you will type then you can go to the, so come back to the previous positions /n OBD4. So it will take you to the accounts GL accounts group. Okay, So GL Masters, after without creating this accounts group, you will not be able to create GL Masters. So make sure that you need to create this. Defined return earnings is OB53. So what we need to do, slash n OB53. Now chart of accounts you have to give and you have to press enter. Now you can create this. Already this has been done. So I shown you how to use the T codes here. Okay, next topic is what is defined fiscal year variant. So what do you mean by fiscal year? Yesterday I shown you one stuff. You see, financial year is 2024. There is a difference between the financial year and assessment year. So if I'll tell you financial year, so how it will calculate, I'll be telling you that one. So financial year starting from 1st of April, 1st of April to 31st March. 31st March. Okay. But assessment year, just like in TDS, in Tally also we are telling that one assessment year. Assessment year is like this is 1st of April. Now this financial year, if I'll tell 1st of April 2000, now right now our financial year is what is running 2023 to 31st March 2024, right? This is our financial year. Assessment year, if I'll tell, this is what, how it will calculate. Assessment year is, anyone has any knowledge about this? So this is 2024 to 2025. Assessment year is like this. So financial year is 2023 to 2024. But assessment year will be 2024 to 2025. This is called assessment year. Now here I'll give one example. Financial year 2024, like April is the first one. See, there is a two things. Our Indian accounting standard. This is according to the Indian accounting standard. Indian accounting standard. Okay, Indian accounting standard financial year is V3 we are telling, which is April to March. And this is your American accounting standard where K4, that is called fiscal year variant, will be K4, January to December. So their financial year is this one. So I'm going to show you how to fiscal year variant, how to display OB29. Okay. Before that, I'll be telling you what is that actually, how it will calculate. So when financial year 2024 1st April is one, it will consider fiscal year wherein this is the one. Then second is May, third is June, fourth is July. We have it 12 posting periods and 4 special periods. These 4 are called special periods. So according to this, we have a 12 posting period. So posting period 1 is April. So I'll write here 12 posting periods, and we have 4 special period. Okay, so 12 posting periods means this is posting period 1. So posting means what? Posting means when your document is posting, when you will do the transactions in SAP. Okay, like company purchase or what is that, machinery, rupees 20,000 by cash. This type of transactions when we are entering in the chapter GL master creations. So in that case, we have to use the posting period. So posting period 1 is for April, 2 is for May, 3 is for June, 4 is for July, 5 is for August. This is your, if I'll give an example, this is 2024. You can see that. Okay, April it will be starting off. And 6th is the September, 7th is the October, 8th This is November, this is December, this is January, February, March. Okay, this is 2023 to 2025. It is given 24. It is okay. So like this, it is the things. Next, what is that? After finishing this, we have a 4 special period. Why this has to be considerations? See, as I told you, our Indian financial year is 1st April to 31st March. So 1st April to 31st March, here it is finishing 9th December. So December month is the 9th posting period. Okay. Apart from this, how it will come? January, February, March. These three are, it will be -1. So it will be considered as a -1. This will be -2. Okay, and this will be -3. So this is called special period. So April, May, June, July, these 4 special periods. Why it is used? When you are creating a document transaction or any transactions you are doing, and it will posting to the next financial year. Okay, then it has to be calculated here: April, May, June, July. So these are special and these are normal posting period for regular entries. So we'll do now in the, I will show you in the software itself how it will be calculating. Okay. Now see here, what is the shortcut key for this? OB29 slash n OB29. Both the cases I'll be showing by key codes and by screen wise. Okay, now you see we have a calendar and non-calendar. Here also one option is there. I'll clarify, this is called calendar period. What is that? This is the calendar. So I'll give the more centers here. Calendar period. This is a non-calendar period. So we are starting from this. If I'll tell this is our non-calendar. So Indian accounting is non-calendar. Okay, non-calendar this is, but these people are, this is American people are using calendar wise. Okay, calendar we are always starting, this is your like January to December. This is a non-calendar year and this is the calendar year. Okay, so our Indian accounting standard is a non-accounting, so non-calendar year. So this is the year dependent, it will be showing. Now you can see calendar year 1 special period. So we have a fiscal year variant for V3. If I'll give you V3, what will happen? You can see these positions. You can take the positions here V3. V3. So fiscal year variant. Click on OK. Now you can see V3 is April to March and 12 posting periods and 4 special period. V6 is June to July. This you can make a note, every student. So V3 is April to March. So here I'll do some of the concept. V3. V3 is April to March. Okay, and here you can see V6 is June to July. So V6 is June, means if I'll take June 2023 to July 2023. So this is June to July. Okay, next is we have October to September, V9. So V9 is October to September. Okay. all are getting this? So anyone has any doubts? All are
Ma'am, can you
getting?
repeat it?
So this is VV is everything. Okay, one more time I'll show you. See, this is fiscal year variant. Fiscal year. As I told you, in Indian accounting standard, we have non-calendar year. American accounting standard, they are using calendar year. So for the non-calendar year, if I'll take this, okay, this part is our non-calendar year. So here I'll just mention it, small sentence. This is the non-calendar year. Non-calendar year, and this is the Indian year. So 12 posting periods we have, 4 special periods, and fiscal year variant is V3, which we are using. Okay, which is we are using, and V9 is June to July. Few of the countries, they are using June to July calendar, and these all are this is also non-calendar. V9 is to October September. This is also non-calendar, but only this January to December is a, this is your K4. I'll give one more. This is K4. So like this is January to December. So this three, I'll be showing you the accounts group how it will be showing here. Now if I'll go to create, if I'm going to create, so what I'll be selecting here, back I will show you that one. So if I'll go to the SPRO procedure, go to the SAP IMG image, SAP reference image, that is IMG. Okay, what you have to go to the financial accounting, general ledger accounts, master accounts. Okay, GL posting will do afterwards. Yeah, so financial accounting globe, here we have to do financial accounting new, financial accounting global setting, fiscal year, and maintain fiscal year shortened. So financial year accounting, go to SPRO, financial accounting global settings.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking. Ma'am, your voice is not audible.
Hello. So am I audible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
fine. There is some internet connection issue. So I'll continue then. So this is K4 is January to December. Okay. Then you are able to see the screen, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So here April to March, January to December, 12 posting period and 4 special period is there. Okay, now in this we have to do maintain fiscal year variant shortened fiscal year. You have to click on this. So if I'll do the path, you can just observe the financial accounting global settings, then fiscal year. So I'll write the path here. Financial accounting. So financial accounting global settings here. You can see here. Financial accounting global settings. Okay. Then what you have to do? We have to go to this fiscal year. Then maintain fiscal year variant. Maintain fiscal year variant and maintain shortened fiscal year. So in the bracket, I'll write maintain shortened fiscal year. Just a second here. Shortened fiscal year. Okay. After this, what we need to do here, click on ing activities and you have to select which one? Position. Then click on positions. So after this, click on IMG activities. After this, what you have to do? Select the position. Click on position. Click on position and type V3. Here you have to type V3. So fiscal year variant is V3. So next is I'll write fiscal year variant. What you have to type? V3 and click on continue button. Click on tick mark. Tick mark is what? Continue. Okay. So after filling this V3, click on this. So select this options and copy as. So select V3 and click on copy as. Copy as. Where it is the copy as? Here. We have called copy as. So we have copied, just change the company code. So here fi, well, I'll take 10. Here I'll take 10 and press enter. Now you can see the screen. So I'll write this FB, fiscal year variant. It will be displaying FB. So I'll write a one, draw this. Okay, what will display here? Now you can see this is FB for fiscal year variant. Descriptions is there. So FB you can give descriptions. All you have to do. So this is you have to give company code. So I have given 10. I have given 10 and just press enter. Need not to do any other things. Descriptions or something's not required. So directly it will be taking fiscal year variant. So I'll just put right side. And this is I'll give border. Okay. So FB 10. You need to type this much and you have to click on copy all. After selecting this, click on. So once you give this, what you will do? Press enter. Once you press enter, then click on copy all. Okay, click on copy all. So here I'll be clicking on copy all. So what will happen? 364 number of dependence entries copied. So you have to click on continue or control S. Then click on save or continue. Click on continue button. So all are getting this, how it has been done. Path financial accounting, financial account global setting, fiscal year, maintain fiscal year variant. Click on ING activity, click on positions, fiscal year variant V3 you have to give. Click on tick mark, continue, select V3 and click on copy as. You have to fill FB only 10. This much all you have to fill, press enter, copy on, click on copy all, click on continue button to save. Okay, to save. Okay, so after saving this, you can see, you can check it has been created. Click on again save button and save with the company. Okay, so click on save button again and save with company. Okay, so that is the things here. So all you are getting students, till that any doubts you have, so you can check the positions. You can go one step back and again click on this and you can check it has been done or what. So check the positions, give 10, fiscal year variant 10. You can see it has been done. Now we have to link this fiscal year to company, like how we have created, like how we have linked the chart of accounts to our company by assigning. Likewise we have to assign the fiscal year also, right? Next step is assign company code to fiscal year variant. So this has been done here. Okay. So next one is assign company, assign fiscal year variant to company. Okay, assign fiscal year variant to company here. Assign company code, sorry, company code to a fiscal year variant. So what is the path? Same path it is. but we need to change here. Sorry. Here assign company code to fiscal year variant. Okay. So any doubts with this? Next I'll show the last option. So this is assign company code to fiscal year variant. Click on IMG activities. Click on position. So you have to click on IMG activities, and what we need to do here, like give company, click on positions and give the company code. Click on position and give company code. Company code is MT10. Okay, so here I'll give MT10, and we have to click here fiscal year variant. So I will do, just click on this and you have to select the 10. I have created 10, so you can enter this. So this is the last one I am going to create. So this is only 1 2 3 4 columns, so we can take 3 4 columns here. Bracket all borders. So this is CO company code. This CO means company code, company, then fiscal year variant, then description. Description is not required. Directly it will update. So company code, and this is your descriptions. Sorry, just a second. Okay, company name will be there. Okay, fine. This is company name, and here it will be variant, fiscal year variant will be displayed here. Fiscal year variant and descriptions. Descriptions automatically it will be taking. Just give the company code. Company code is this MT10. Company is Tata Group of company 10, and fiscal year variant is 10. You have to select. Descriptions automatically it will be taking once you save this. So no posting period is allowed, it's showing. Just press enter. Again you close this. Yes. So this has been done. So need not to worry about this, just cancel it. Once you cancel, it will be showing here. See, March post special period, it will be displaying on the screen. You need not to worry about this. Okay, so just three things you have to give here. So what you'll give here, just come back to the fiscal year variant. Right, this you select, press save button, so it will show you no posting period is showing. Just press cancel button. Again it will be showing on the screen, then you can save this. Okay, so come back, close this. So data was saved. Again, it will show and save with the company data. This has been data has been saved. So you need not to worry about this. Try this. So click on save. Click on save button and save with the cancel button. One must you press and save with the company. Right. So these are the things. Okay. All you have understood this. Any doubts in this today's class? Hello? Anyone has any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So today what and all we have completed? Will we update? Sorry. So next class will be starting the another new topics for this. Okay. So till that whatever we have done, I'll be sending you. You can check with this and recordings also by tomorrow morning you will be getting that. So yes, the last class we have done this. This is already I sent to you. Today I'll be sending you this fiscal year variant and as well as charts of accounts. So this table is not is there. Okay, fine. Anything is missed out, I'll be seeing and I'll send you that. Yeah, already it is done. We need not to change. So this is chart of accounts what we have done today as well as fiscal year variant also we have done. So next class new topic I'll be starting. So practice one more thing. So we get your system uh, on that day into college and we'll be sending this. Okay, I'll be sending in the group by tomorrow morning what time you will come. I think after 9:30 or 10 o'clock you will be reach to your college. Okay, that updations will be doing in the group itself. Okay, so will anyone has anything to ask? So you can ask me now related to this today's topic. So I'll be sending you now this file on this group. So that's all for the day, students. We'll wind up the session now. Anyone has any doubts, let me know, or we'll continue tomorrow. You can raise your hands. No one has no doubts? Hello?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. So we'll wind up the session now today and we'll be continuing tomorrow. New topics. Okay? That's all for the day, students.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you.